Hello dear students. Today we are going to start fourth chapter, addition and subtraction. In this chapter we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of 5-digit numbers. In previous classes we have studied about how to add 3 or 4 digit numbers without carrying or with carrying, and also we have studied about how to subtract the 4 digit numbers. Let us recall the steps. The first step is arrange the numbers one below the other according to their places. ಇನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಒಂದರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದರಂತೆ ಆಯಾ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು, ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸು, 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸು ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. The next step is start adding or subtracting from the ones place. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 3 ಈಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸಿ ಇಫ್ ರೀಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ 5-digit ನಂಬರ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ 48,415 and 20,098. Here we have to add these two numbers. First we have to arrange the given numbers one below the other according to their places. The first step is we have to add the ones place. Always we have to start from ones place. Here in ones place 5 and 8 is there. The 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 2-digit number. ನಾವು ones place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. So we have to regroup there 1 tens and 3 ones. 3 we have to write in ones place and 1 is carry over or carry forward to the ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ನಾವು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮತ್ತು 9 ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 + 1 + 9 ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 11. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ರೀಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 100 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1 ಟೆನ್ಸ್. 1ಅನ್ನು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು 100 ಅಂದರೆ 1ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 + 4 + 0 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 5 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1000 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಮತ್ತು 0 ಇದೆ. 8 + 0 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 8 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 10,000 ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮತ್ತು 2 ಇದೆ. 4 + 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 6 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು 2 5-digit ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು? 68,513. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ 5-digit numbers. Let us see one more example. Add 34,396 and 58,124. We have to add these two numbers. First we have to arrange these numbers one below the other according to their places. Here first we have to add the ones place. In the ones place 6 and 4 is there. 6 + 4 is equals to 10. Here we have to regroup this one. 1 10 and 0 ones. Write 0 in ones column and carry 1 to the tens column. Next here we have to add the tens places. Here in the tens place 9 and 2 is there. We have to add these 2 and also we have to add the carry. 9 + 2 + 1 is equals to 12. Here we have to write 2 in a tens column and carry 1 to the 100 column. Next add the 100 places. Here in the 100 place 3 and 1 is there. 3 plus 1, and also we have to add the carry plus 1 is equals to 5. Next we have to add the thousand place here. In thousand place 4 and 8 is there. 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. Here we have to regroup this one. 1 10,000 and 2,000. Here write 2 in a 1,000 column and 1 carry to the 10,000 column. Next here we have to add the 10,000 places. Here in the 10,000 place 3 and 5 is there, and also we have to add the carry. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equals to 9. So write 9 in the 10,000 column. So students, the sum of these two 5-digit numbers is 92,520. Like this we have to add the bigger numbers. Now let us learn how to subtract the 5-digit numbers. For example, subtract 56,718 and 16,754. Solution. First we have to arrange the numbers in columns one below the other according to their places, and also we have to remember here first we have to write the larger number and next the small number. Let us subtract the ones place. 8 minus 4 is 4. Next step 2 is we have to subtract the tens, that is 1 minus 5, which is not possible because 1 is less than 5. So borrow 100 from 700. 100 plus 1 tens becomes 11 tens. Now subtract 11 minus 5 is 6. Now subtract hundreds. Since 100 is borrowed from 700, so we are left with 600. So borrow 1000 from 6000. Now 1000 plus 600 becomes 1600. Now 16 minus 7 is 9. Write 9 in 100 place. Next, now subtract thousands. Since 1000 is borrowed from 600, so we are left with 5000. Now 5 minus 6 is not possible because 5 is less than 6. So we have to borrow 1 10,000 from 5 10,000. 1 10,000 plus 5,000 becomes 15,000. Now subtract 15 minus 6. So 15 minus 6 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 9 ಸಿಕ್ತು. 9 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು 1000 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು 10,000 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10,000 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಇದೆ. 4 minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 3 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So the answer is 39,964. Like this we have to subtract the 5-digit numbers. Now let us see one more example. In this example we have to subtract the number 25,627 from 82,136. Let us start the subtraction from ones place. Now 6 minus 7 is not possible because 6 is less than 7. So we have to borrow from tens place. Here 6 becomes 16. Now 16 minus 7 is 9. Write 9 in a ones column. Next subtract tens. Here 2 minus 2 is 0. Next subtract hundreds. Here 1 minus 6 is not possible because 1 is less than 6. So we have to borrow from thousands. Now 1000 place in the 1000 ಅನ್ನು 100 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 11 minus 6 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ 5 ಸಿಕ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ 1000. Now 1 minus 5 is not possible. Again we have to borrow from 10,000 place. It becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. Next 10,000 plus 7 minus 2 is 5. Like this we have to subtract the 5-digit numbers. Now let us see how the addition and subtraction of 5-digit numbers are useful in our daily life. Let us see an example.
Raju and his father went to a bank to withdraw some money. His father has 78,575 rupees in his account and he withdrew 36,132 rupees from his account. Now, Raju wants to calculate the balance in his father's account. Let's help Raju to find the answer. As the first step, place the digits in the place value table. To find the balance, we need to subtract the withdrawn amount from the previous balance. The second step is to subtract the ones. 5 ones minus 2 ones gives 3 ones. In the third step, we need to subtract the tens. 7 tens minus 3 tens gives 4 tens. The fourth step is to subtract the hundreds. 5 hundreds minus 100 gives 4 hundreds. In the fifth step, we need to subtract the thousands. 8 thousands minus 6 thousands gives 2 thousands. The last and sixth step is to subtract the 10,000s. 7 10,000s minus 3 10,000s gives 4 10,000s. Thus, subtracting 36,132 from 78,575 gives 42,443. Raju now knows that there is a balance of 42,443 rupees in his father's account.
So students, let us see one more example. 66,140 people were living in village A, out of which 55,260 people moved to the village B. How many people are left in village A? So the question is, village A ನಲ್ಲಿ 66,140 ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 55,260 ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರುವಂತಹ ಜನರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಎ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Solution. Here first we have to write the given things. What are the given things here? The number of peoples living in village A. Village A ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಜನರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 66,140. Next, the number of people who moved to the village B. Village B ಗೆ ವಲಸೆ ಹೋಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಜನರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 55,260. These are the given things. So students, here we have to find out that the total number of people left in village A. That is, we have to subtract the 55,260 from 66,140. So first village A ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಜನರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಜನರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So students, first we have to arrange the given numbers in columns. Next, start the subtraction from ones place. Here 0 minus 0 is 0. Next, subtract the tens. Here 4 minus 6 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 100 place. Then it becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Next, subtract the 100 place. Here 0 minus 2 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 1000 place. It becomes 1000, means 10 minus 2 is 8. Next, 5 minus 5 is 0. Next, 6 minus 5 is 1. Now the answer is 10,880. Therefore, we can say that 10,880 peoples are left in village A. Now let us see the word problem on addition.
Let us consider an example of word problem on addition. Boy Scouts sold 13,874 stickers. Girl Guides sold 29,239 stickers. How many stickers did they sell? Here, 13,874 stickers were sold by Scouts and 29,239 stickers were sold by Guides. To find the total stickers sold by both, we add the number of stickers. Arrange 13,874 and 29,239 in columns. Add and regroup when needed. Thus the Scouts and Guides together sold 43,113 stickers.
Let us consider one more example. Here, Preeti drove her car for 26,349 km in 6 weeks and 38,614 km in the next 8 weeks. How many kilometers in all did she drive in 14 weeks? So students, first 6 weekale 26,349 km ಚಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 8 ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ 38,614 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ 14 ವೀಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಕಾರು ಚಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. First we have to write the given things, that is distance Preeti drove in the first 6 weeks, that is 26,349 km. Next, the distance she drove in the next 8 weeks, 38,614 km. Here we have to find out that the total distance Preeti drove, that is 26,349 km plus 38,614 km. Let us add these two. First we have to write these two numbers in columns. Let us start the addition. Start from ones place. 9 plus 4 is 13. Write 3 in ones column. Carry 1 to the tens column. Next add tens. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. Next add hundreds. 3 plus 6 is 9. Next add thousands. 6 plus 8 is 14. Write 4 in 1000 column. Carry 1 to the 10,000 column. Next add 10,000 places. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. The answer is 64,963. Therefore, Preeti drove a total distance of 64,963 km in 14 weeks. So students, like this we have to solve the word problem. So students, in this chapter we are learnt that the addition and subtraction of 5-digit number and the word problems on addition and subtraction. I hope all of you understood about these topics. Thank you.